Hello and welcome to the Pinter Beer Chef. Today we will be taste testing an all-grain chocolate stout. So let's dive in and see what we think. Okay, so here it is. It looks fantastic. You know, it's got a real dark, luxurious look about it. So there's no complaints there. We'll have a quick smell. It's got a lovely roasted essence of chocolate. You know, not overwhelming, just beautifully balanced chocolate roaster. It just smells fantastic. You know, the quality it's oozing with quality. It's destined to be a cracker. This one is. So we'll dive in for a quick taste. I really like this. For me, if you like Vocation's Naughty and Nice chocolate stout, this is the direction that you're heading with this. I just think it's fantastic. The taste is it's subtle. It's just delicious. You know, it's got just a light tone of roasty chocolatiness about it, but it's just nicely balanced. It's not overbearing. It's not too chocolatey. It's not like a chocolate milkshake. Not in any sense. It's just a nice subtle chocolate taste in the background. It tastes, you know, very complex, very it's such a good mouthfeel. You know, it's got a good body to it. It's got a great mouthfeel to it. It's just fantastic. I mean, I would say for home brewing, you know, for what we're doing here and for what I'm doing here, home brewing in your pinter, all grain, you know, you're not really going to get much better than this. You know, on a professional level, craft breweries, of course, you're going to beat this. But for what we're trying to achieve here from home, you know, this is as good as it gets. You know, if we can rival this many times over and find different types of beers that are this quality and taste this good, you know, then we're absolutely on a winner. So for the score for this, I'm going to take into account the price as well. I mean, the price for this, it works out, let's say, round about £8 for the whole kit. You know, 80 pence a pint. I mean, you just can't go wrong when you factor in. I get these kits from the malt miller. I buy the all grain from the malt miller. When you factor in trying to get free post and pack, you have to spend over £65. If you can't even make that though, like for this kit, I just paid second class post, which was about £3, £3.30, something like that. So it took it up to about £11.50. So even £1.10, even £1.20 a pint, you know, it's still great value. So you don't really need to worry too much about hitting the free postage mark on this and buying, you know, a big order from the malt miller. If you just get the all grain kit in, the recipe, and just go for second class Royal Mail, you know, it's still less than £1.20 a pint. You know, you can't go wrong. So I think that taking into consideration the looks on this, the smell, the taste, and the price, it's the first time I've ever done this, but I'm going to score it 10 out of 10. I just think it's absolutely fantastic. You know, and there's going to be a lot of all grain recipes and variants that we're going to try moving forward. And you know, if this is the benchmark, if this is where we're heading, doing all grain in the pinter, I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. You know, so it's good. You know, it's good. So there you go. I mean, that's it for today. If you're interested in trying this yourself, I will pop the recipe up on the screen. You can take a screenshot of that. It's got a shopping list with it. I will also put a link in the text. So that link will lead you to the malt miller's recipe generator or recipe maker. I'm not sure what to call it. But basically, you click on that link, go to the recipe maker, recipe generator, put in the ingredients from the shopping list, and then add to basket. That's it. You've got your whole kit. Press buy. They'll send it by post, prepare it all for you. Fantastic. You know, you couldn't get easier than that. So that's it today. Great result. I'd be interested to see if any of you guys try it and see what you think. So for now, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you on the next one.